Hello and welcome. Today we will talk about how to use concat function in Excel. And at the end of this, I will also show you how to use ampersand to do exactly the same thing. So if you remember, we did text join. Text join is a little different than concat because text join also asked you for a delimiter. And it also has an option where you can ignore blanks. Concat has nothing like this. Concat is just used to uh, concatenate the strings, concatenate the text. So let me show you how this is done. So let's see, we have a list of players here with the first name and the last name, and you want to concatenate to make their email addresses. And this is just an example. You can use concatenate to do anything. So what we have to do exactly is start the function concat, start the brackets, and then the text one in this case is D36, where it says Mason right here. We want to concatenate the first name with the last name, let's say with a delimiter of a dot. So the email address would be mason.raymond@gmail.com. In this case, we say D36. The next text would be a dot. So we start the bracket, so we start the commas, put a dot there, and then we put E36, which is the last name, and then the fourth string which we are concatenating is at gmail.com. So again, we start the commas, we say at gmail.com, we stop the commas, we end the brackets, and here you go. So mason.raymond@gmail.com. So let's see again what we did. We concatenated or joined different texts to get an email address. So simple. Now let me show you one more thing where we can do exactly the same thing but without a function. If you do not want to use concat function, you can also use ampersand in Excel. What you have to do is to do exactly the same things. Let's do for this. So if you want to do D37, which is the first name, and then use the ampersand symbol, and then say dot, again ampersand symbol, then say E37, again ampersand symbol, at gmail.com. So we, instead of using concatenate or concat function, we are using ampersand symbol. Let's see what happens here. Ooh, we got the email address here. So we got exactly the same thing which we got here from Mason Raymond. We got it for Eric Odell. Here we were using concat function. Here we are using just the ampersand symbol. Exactly the same thing, exactly the same result, but different things. Any questions? Let me know. Thank you.